The assignment for this module involves adding an inspection and rework step following the grinding operation. So if we look at our current model, the model we've been working on, we said that 10% of the parts leaving grinding are deemed bad. In the modified version that you will do for the assignment, we want all parts to go through an inspection step after grinding. And so there's a single inspector, and the inspection time is uniformly distributed between 30 and 50 seconds. So after inspection, 20% of the parts are found to need rework. The remaining 80% move on to packaging and are done. There are 2 rework operators, and rework takes between 5 and 10 minutes, again uniformly distributed. After rework, 50% of the parts are still bad and are scrapped, and the remaining 50% are sent to packaging. So the assignment is to modify the model based on the system changes above and create responses. The responses that I want you to create are the utilizations, similar to what we had before with including the new inspect and rework, the time and system for the entire population, and I also want time and system differentiated between good parts and scrapped parts. So there are 3 different measures of time and system, and these should all 3 be different values. One time and system for the population, and one just for those parts that are good, and another one just for those parts that are bad. Number of parts in the system overall, and finally the number of parts in the input buffer for the packaging station. In other words, how many parts are waiting for packaging. And as a hint, you'll need to use the expression editor to explore the package server object to determine what the appropriate expression is for the response.